Hi guys, I'm going to play this. That's not me at all. Okay. You get to live in a utopian world where all your fantasies come true, but your lifespan is reduced by half. It's worth it. You can do whatever you want except the things you've always wanted to do. What is the point? That makes no sense. You can do whatever you want except the things you've always wanted to do. So, you think about it. Like, say you've wanted to drink a whole bottle of water and you've never done it before. You can do anything but drink that water. Drink a whole water, because that's something you want to do. No. Everything on the internet loads and downloads instantly for you and there's no limit. Oh, what? But... Okay. I guess I pressed it. You only use it to make cover boxes and you will become a giraffe. Wow. Giraffes are cool. No. You can become a god or goddess. No one worships you and hates you. I have the power. Do whatever I want. You become any Disney character you want. You're only alive when someone watches your film. So do I die in between, or... Yeah, it's worth it. One of your wishes gets granted. Your most loved being, person, and gets to die terribly in front of you. No, because it depends on the wish, the person. You will gain intelligence that greatly surpasses that any being that has ever lived. On full moons, you will transform into a giant living in the top of Yeah, it's okay. It's worth it. You have the long... I am a girl. No. You could create whatever you want in the world. You could not use your own creations. What? Like, if I created a cat dog in real life, I would not be able to use said cat dog? What? Why do I make stuff for other people? That's stupid. James Mona, you have to kill someone in your family. I will never say who. Anyways, the PS4 and every game is released with for free. Then the games aren't released. What? Never play any games on it released after 1 month of PS4's release date. Wait. No, nothing that's worth it. Nothing that's worth it. That's okay. I'm fine with that. Swag, Fortune Blazer. Simply imitate Christopher Walken voice on command. You have this little piece of food stuck in your teeth forever. Moved by any means devised by man or God. Yeah. That's amazing. I can't believe it. I want to make it. You can live in any fictional universe. You become the opposite sex. Yep. You would have minty fresh breath for the rest of your life. You can never have coffee, orange drinks, or stimulants. All I really ever drink is water and like soda. Oh wait. Hey, that's not an energy drink. It's okay. You become the little girl of your dreams. I don't want to be a little girl. I want to be a little girl. Oh wait, no! I didn't mean to click it. I didn't mean to click it. I didn't mean to click it. Oh. I didn't mean to click it. Feminism as a whole ceases to exist. Something worse than feminism appears, but what it is, you do not know. It's stupid. You are sociable and great with women, but also you're gay. Seeing as how I'm a girl, I'm perfectly fine with this. You can kill anybody you want. No! You can kill anybody you want, any way you want, without the risk of anybody finding out it was you. You will become severely depressed every time you kill someone and live with the guilt of knowing you killed that person. You cannot forget it. That's okay. You die the next day. That's worth it. It's worth it. I don't care. Everyone you meet will instantly like you. You die if you don't resend it. Chain. Okay. Okay. You'll find the love of your life, but she's so That's okay. That's okay. You'll bear an uncanny resemblance. No, because it'd be like being in love with a family member. You'd be loved for the persons you're gonna be loved for the persons who love you. And you can stay with them more than 2 months. I can't understand that. You gone. You gone. You're gonna learn today. You think you'll get every new ThinkPad. Gain the ability to hop through fictions and control your character. Hop through fictions and control your character. Have strong effect on you. You can only have a yeah. It's okay. You will gain omniscience. You will go through any card. Omniscience? What? Omniscience? I don't know. Live forever, your life. Guess what? I want to live forever. You can, an elite seals the only thing you can say is the copy pass. The only thing you say is the copy pass. I don't want to join the Navy SEALs. You will live the happiest, most fulfilling life. You oh yeah, don't judge me. You may phase through any object and walk to 3 times a day. That would be fun. Just like quick, run from the cops. Okay, now I can whoosh. Now this is actually okay, money from nothing. Each stolen from this country is no. You can fly. You would never be able to move. Yes. Make any of your drones move. Never sing against again. You can save the world. You have to destroy the internet. What am I saving the world from? Depends what I'm saving the world from. Like, if I'm saving the world from, like, dinosaurs, I think that's okay. Why not? But we would still have apps. I do not care. Apps. Just no limit. Tell me that was a lot. You can go to real estate if you can have each other again. Oh, I really can't do that. Okay, last one. Well, thank you for money. Wait, what? Sure, why not? Anyways, thank you for watching if you did. If you enjoyed it, I'm glad you enjoyed it. I hope you also liked some of these questions. If you have any questions of your own, I will be glad to answer those. Like and favorite and all that if you enjoyed. More coming up soon. Yeah.